If you traveled 1 million years into the future, what will our planet be like? Will the Earth experience a mass extinction? Or will there be a creature emerging? What if you traveled even further to 100 million years? Will the Earth become a hot, barren desert? Or will it be covered in ice? What if you traveled further to 1 billion years? Will the sun blow up? Or will the Earth sucked by a black hole? Here's what would happen if you traveled 1 billion years into the future. Prepare your time machine, because in 10,000 years, we are going to face a big problem called the Decamillennium bug. Software encoding the AD won't encode dates with more than 4 decimals. You know Y2K, and if you know it, do you remember it? Yeah, it will be like that. But hey, good news! Genetic difference and traits between humans will no longer be regional. Traits like hairs and skins will be evenly distributed around the world. In 20,000 years, none of our current languages will be recognizable. Future languages will only contain 1% of the core vocabulary words of present-day counterparts. In 50,000 years, the Earth will mark a new glacial period, which starts another ice age regardless of the global warming effect. Niagara Falls will have eroded into Lake Erie completely. Oh, and our day length will increase by 1 second. So much more time for activity. In 250,000 years into the future, the Loihi volcano will rise above the water in the Hawaiian archipelago, and in 500,000 years, it is likely that an asteroid with a diameter of nearly 1 kilometer wide will strike Earth and may cause an extinction event, unless we could prevent it. In 1 million years, we'll likely have another supervolcano eruption, large enough to spew 3,200 cubic kilometers of ash. It will have enough lava to fill 75% of the Grand Canyon. This event will be similar to the Toba eruption, which almost wiped out humanity 70,000 years ago. Far in space, our nearby star Betelgeuse will have exploded into a supernova by this point in time, making it visible from Earth even during the daytime. In 10 million years, a huge part of Eastern Africa will break apart, forming a new ocean basin. And in 20 million years, Africa will collide with Eurasia, closing off the Mediterranean Sea, and a mountain range will form between the two lands. Some of them might include a mountain that is even taller than Mount Everest. Far in space, Mars will collide with its moon, Phobos, and it will develop a ring system like Saturn's. In 60 million years, the Canadian and American Rockies will have eroded entirely. And in 80 million years, all Hawaiian islands will be underwater. In 100 million years, an asteroid similar to the one that killed the dinosaurs 66 million years ago will likely hit Earth. One that is 10 kilometers wide, which is even bigger than Mount Everest. In 250 million years, all continents will be fused together into one supercontinent, like Pangaea, but this time it will be called the Pangaea Ultima or Pangaea Proxima. But don't get too relied on it, because in 400 to 500 million years, Pangaea Ultima will break apart once again. In 500 to 600 million years, a gamma ray burst will occur within 6,500 light years away from Earth. If it hits Earth, it will damage the ozone layer and cause a mass extinction event. And in 600 million years, the moon will be so far away from Earth that total solar eclipses will no longer be possible. This will also affect the ocean tides as well. And the sun's increasing luminosity will have increased the temperature so much, which may halt the plate tectonics movement. In 800 million years, carbon dioxide levels will drop so low and photosynthesis life will no longer be possible. Free oxygen will disappear from the atmosphere and all complex life on Earth will die. And finally, in 1 billion years, the sun's luminosity will have increased by 10% of its current size. The average temperature on Earth will be an inhospitable 47 degrees Celsius. Our atmosphere will feel like a burning greenhouse. Earth's ocean will evaporate, leaving only pockets of water on each of the poles, leaving the Earth to be a barren wasteland of a vast, hostile, and lifeless desert.